This is the Allegro spot-free rinse system by US Water Systems. Perfect for hobbyists, homeowners, DIYers, or business owners who need a spot-free rinse for their vehicles, solar panels, windows, glassware. The great thing about these systems is they're portable, affordable. We have a half cubic foot system and a full cubic foot system, complete with hose connectors to make it easy to hook up to your garden hose, water in, water out. Today we're going to show you just how easy it is to change the media in these tanks. The first question you might ask is, when do I know it's time to change the media? Well, that's easy. Included with the system is a free TDS meter. Very simple to operate. All you do, turn it on, fill your cap with a sample of your water, and you'll get a digital reading on here representing your TDS. When the system is operational, you're going to see 5 or lower, even 0. Once that number begins to creep up, that's your indication it's time to change the media inside. When you know it's time to change your media, really simple, all you do is order a refill kit. Refill kit comes complete with a funnel, 1 gram of silicone lubricant, and a distributor tube cap. All you're going to do is unscrew the head, inside you'll find your center distributor tube. Disconnect from there. Trash bag, 5-gallon bucket, you're dumping out the old media and we're dumping in the new. Once your tank is empty and rinsed out, all you're going to do is take this cap, cover your center distributor tube, and dump in the appropriate amount of media. It'll come in either a full cubic foot like this or half a cubic foot, which is a little more than this. We've only brought this today to kind of show you a visual of what that media looks like. Use your funnel. Might need a helper to kind of shake the funnel as you're filling. So for the larger tank style system here, we're going to use a larger bag of resin. For the smaller, you're going to get about exactly half as much. When you order your refill kit, we're going to send you the exact amount of media, so there's not going to be any left over. So once your tank's full, funnel to the side. Remember to pop your cap off. You'll apply that silicone lubricant to this O-ring here to prevent that O-ring from pinching. Screw your cap back on. All you got to do is align this hole with your distributor tube. Tighten down. And you're ready to start rinsing again. That easy.